Good morning, student. Today I am going to start new topic, the moving coil galvanometer, MCG. MCG means moving coil galvanometer. So what is moving coil galvanometer? What is its function? So student, you know that galvanometer is a device which is used to detect the current in a circuit, and its principle is that when a current carrying coil placed in magnetic field experiences a current dependent torque which tends to rotate the coil and produces a angular deflection. And construction of galvanometer, listen carefully. Galvanometer consists of a coil with many turns which is free to rotate about a fixed axis in a uniform radial magnetic field. There is a cylindrical soft iron core which not only makes the field radial but also increases the strength of the magnetic field. Once again, galvanometer consists of a coil with many turns which is free to rotate about a fixed axis in uniform radial magnetic field. There is a soft iron core. There is a soft iron core which not only makes the field radial but also increases the strength of the magnetic field. When current passes through the coil, when current passed through the coil which produces a torque. When current passed through the coil, a torque acts on it, a magnetic torque acts on it, which is given by you know that tau is equal to NIAB sine theta. Here theta, that is what? 90. Here theta, that is what? 90, because field is radial. So when current passes through the coil, a magnetic torque acts on it, which is given by tau is equal to NIAB sin 90, and here theta, that is what? 90 degree, because field is radial. Due to this magnetic torque, coil begin to rotate. Due to this magnetic torque, coil begins to rotate. A spring, see here, SP, that is what? This is the spring. This spring SP provides a counter torque that balances the magnetic torque. So due to this magnetic torque means what? Tau is equal to NIAB, because sin 91. Due to this magnetic torque, coil begin to rotate. A spring SP provides provides a counter torque K phi, counter torque, that is what, K phi, that balances the magnetic torque, that balances the magnetic torque, that balances the magnetic torque, that is NIAB. So when current passes through the coil, a magnetic torque acts on it, which is given by tau is equal to NIAB sin 90, theta, that is what, 90, because field is radial. Due to this magnetic torque, coil begin to rotate. A spring SP provides a counter torque K phi that balances the magnetic torque, where K is torsional constant of spring, where K is torsional constant of spring or restoring torque per unit twist. So a spring SP provide a counter torque that balances the magnetic torque. In equilibrium condition, a K phi means counter torque, which is equal to what? Magnetic torque. So in equilibrium condition, K phi equal to NIAB. A steady angular deflection, that is what, phi, so by the pointer, on the scale. The pointer show the. So in equilibrium condition, when counter torque, which balances the magnetic torque, which is NIAB, so a steady angular deflection phi shows by the pointer on the scale. And student, where K is torsional constant of spring, torsional constant of spring or restoring torque per unit twist, restoring torque per unit twist. So in equilibrium condition, restoring torque which balances the magnetic torque, and steady angular deflection on the scale, so by the pointer. So a steady angular deflection shown by the pointer on the scale, where K is torsional constant of spring or restoring torque per unit twist, and phi can be written as student. This is phi NIAB by K. So angular deflections So by the pointer on the scale of a galvanometer, which is phi is equal to NIAB by K. And student, next topic, that sensitivity of a galvanometer. Sensitivity of a galvanometer. So how the sensitivity of a galvanometer can be increased? What is voltage sensitivity and what is current sensitivity? So next one is sensitivity of a galvanometer. Sensitivity of a galvanometer. Sensitivity of a galvanometer. So student, galvanometer is said to a galvanometer is said to be more sensitive if it show a large deflection for a small current pass through them or a small potential difference applied across it. And student, you know that galvanometer is a very sensitive device. For a microampere current pass through them, there will be full scale deflection shown by the pointer of the galvanometer. So next one is what? Current sensitivity. So that is what? Current sensitivity. Sensitivity. That is what? So current sensitivity of a galvanometer, which is written as phi, current sensitivity Is, that is what? Phi by I. Phi by I means what? Current sensitivity of a galvanometer can be defined as, see the formula, deflection. So current sensitivity of a galvanometer can be defined as deflection produced in a galvanometer when a unit current pass through it. So current sensitivity of a galvanometer can be defined as deflection produced in the galvanometer when a unit current pass through it, and its SI unit, that is what? Division per ampere. SI unit, that is what? SI unit of current sensitivity, that is what? Division per ampere. Division, deflection means number of division, pointer moves, that is what? Division, and I, that is what? Current. So unit of current sensitivity, that is what? Division per ampere. And you know that phi, that is what? Current sensitivity can also be written as phi is equal to what? NIAB by what? I. NIAB by I, that is what? K. I cancel out. So current sensitivity can be written as NBA by what? K. So current sensitivity of a galvanometer, which is NBA by K. How the current sensitivity, on which factor current sensitivity of a galvanometer depends? By increasing the number of turns, current sensitivity increases. By increasing the magnetic field, current sensitivity will also be increases. By increasing area, current sensitivity of will also be increases. By decreasing torsional constant, current sensitivity will also be increases. But student, the next one is what? Voltage sensitivity. Voltage sensitivity in the same way, that is what? Current sensitivity, only we put what? Vs, that is what? V. So voltage sensitivity can be defined as, in the same way, voltage sensitivity of a galvanometer can be defined as deflection produced in the galvanometer when a unit potential difference applied across it, which is known as voltage sensitivity of a galvanometer. Once again, voltage sensitivity of a galvanometer can be defined as deflection produced in the galvanometer when unit potential difference applied across its end, and its SI unit, that is what? SI unit, that is what? Can be written division per volt. So SI unit of voltage sensitivity, that is what? Division per volt. And in place of phi we can write NIAB. So Vs can also be written as phi is equal to what? NIAB. And student V, that is what? V equal to, and that is what? K, and V, that is IR. So we put I and or I cancel out. So voltage sensitivity. So voltage sensitivity of a galvanometer can be written as, that is what? NVA by what? KR. This is the voltage sensitivity. And in terms of current sensitivity, that is what? NVA by K. So we can write in terms of Vs can also be written as what? NVA by K, that is what? Current sensitivity, that is what? R. So here Vs, that is what? Voltage sensitivity of galvanometer. Is, that is what? Current sensitivity of galvanometer. R is the resistance of coil. If N will increases to 2N, if N is increases to 2N, so current sensitivity, that is what? Double the initial condition, but voltage sensitivity remains same, because by increasing the number of turns N to 2N, resistance of coil will also be increases double, so voltage sensitivity will remain same. So question that is, if N tends to 2N, so that is what? If number of turns of the coil of a galvanometer becomes double, then what will be current sensitivity? Current sensitivity, that is what? NBA by K. This is the, when N tends to 2N. So when N tends to what? 2N. So new current sensitivity, that is what? 2Is. It means what? Current sensitivity what? Doubled. Current sensitivity becomes doubled. But when N tends to 2N, means number of turns of the coil is doubled, then resistance of the coil will also becomes double, because R is directly proportional to what? R is directly proportional to the length of the wire. When the length of the coil doubled, so resistance of coil, that will also be doubled, because resistance is directly proportional to the length of the wire. So when number of turns is double, so length of the coil, that will also be double, so resistance of the coil becomes also double. So voltage sensitivity Vs, we know that NBA by what? KR. Initial case, when N tends to what? 2N, R tends to what? 2R. So that is what? Vs dash, new current sensitivity, new voltage sensitivity, that is what? 2N BA K, that is what same, but resistance will also becomes what? Doubled. So that is what? This will cancel out. Again we get, that is the NBA by what? NBA by KR, and which is equal to what? From equation 1, that is what? Vs. So what will be happened? So Vs dash, which is equal to what? Vs. It means that is voltage sensitivity voltage sensitivity remains unchanged. It remains unchanged. So when n tends to 2n, r tends to 2r, because r is directly proportional to length of the wire. When length of the wire is doubled, so that is what resistance of the coil will also becomes double. So new voltage sensitivity V dash equal to 2 NBA by K, 2R, 2 cancel out, NBA by KR, which is equation 1, NBA by K, initial condition. So by doubling the number of turns, resistance will also be double. So voltage sensitivity of the coil will remain same, but